Good morning, Namaskar. Good morning, this is Suraj Singh speaking from Bharat, India, Faridabad. This small talk is specific for COVID 19. Very specific talk depending on latest update on COVID 19. Good morning, Namaskar. This is Suraj Singh calling from Bharat, India regarding COVID 19 latest update. Interesting for everybody. Today morning I was reading news, very special news, very specific news regarding COVID 19, and I will read it for you so that you can decide yourself what I am saying and what does it mean. This news is very significant for everybody and also significant for whole world because development is like that. This news says title is, first of all I'll tell you that I have put that that you know URL of news on this text and title also there. This title is very important and URL is there, so you can yourself go to read news if you want to know more. I am going to explain to you what it is about. Title is Coronavirus. More than 200 scientists accuse WHO of ignoring aerosol transmission risk. Aerosol, Aerosol. Aerosol means particles of droplets that stay in air for many hours, couple of hours. So coronavirus, more than 200 scientists accuse WHO of ignoring aerosol transmission risk. Again, I am telling you, coronavirus, more than 200 scientists accuse WHO of ignoring aerosol transmission risk. Experts contend that aerosol particles play a significant role in spread of contagion. WHO officials say such transmission usually occurs during medical procedures. और थोड़ा बता देता हूँ ये टाइटल क्या कहता है. दुनिया के 200 से ज़्यादा वैज्ञानिकों ने लिखा है WHO को कि हवा में रहने वाले पार्टिकल भी इस वायरस को फैला रहे हैं. और जो विशेषज्ञ हैं उनका कहना है जो पार्टिकल हवा में एरोसोल नाम जिसको कहते हैं उसकी वजह से हो रहा है. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है समझने के लिए, जानने के लिए. इस बात को शायद समझना भी आसान नहीं है लेकिन ऐसा हो रहा है. इट्स हैपनिंग. नाउ I'll explain to you what is there. If you want to see that, you go to that file and open it. It says 6 months into pandemic. 6 महीने हो चुके हैं. 6 months into a pandemic that has killed more than 500,000 people. More than 200 scientists from around the world are challenging official view of how coronavirus spreads. It's not one scientist, it's not two scientists, it's about 239 scientists, maybe more. It's a big news, very news, because one man cannot understand, two men cannot understand, but 239 men, you think if they can understand, those people are scientist level. We should not doubt about their capacity because they are not from one country, they come from various countries all over the world. So 6 months into a pandemic that has killed more than 500,000 people, More than 200 scientists from around the world are challenging official view of how coronavirus spreads. The World Health Organization, that's called WHO, and US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention maintain that you have to worry about only two types of transmissions: inhaling respiratory droplets from an infected person in your immediate vicinity, or less common, touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose और mouth. इन लोगों का कहना है कि अभी तक जो हमने समझा है सिर्फ यही समझा है कि जो ये वायरस आता है एक दूसरे से आता है, आप किसी के साथ कांटेक्ट में आ जाएं, मुंह से, हाथ से, सांस से, या कोई पार्टिकल गिर जाए सरफेस पे और उस पार्टिकल आपके टच में आ जाए, तो ऐसा होता है। ये ठीक नहीं है, ऐसा होता है, लेकिन इसके अलावा भी बहुत कुछ होता है. That's what you have to understand, and that's what I'm here to explain to you. What does it mean? This title itself is telling, again I'm telling you, this title is a picture also, and some picture says that some experts say microscopic versions of standard respiratory droplets can hang in air for long periods and float dozens of feet. And this is photo Shutterstock. You can see that. This photo and noting given there is very important. Please don't call, don't disturb me. It's no time I'm calling, I'm giving video, why are you calling me? Okay. Title is very worrying and says coronavirus, more than 200 scientists accuse World Health Organization of ignoring aerosol transmission risk. Experts contend that aerosol particles play a significant role in the spread of contagion. WHO officials say such transmission usually occurs during medical procedures. Now let me give you some detailed news. It says 6 months have gone since this pandemic started. It's killed more than 500,000 people. More than 200 scientists from around the world are challenging official views of how coronavirus spreads. WHO, this World Health Organization, and United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention maintains that you have to worry about only two types of transmissions. You have to worry about only two types of transmissions. You have to worry about two types of transmissions. You see, disturb me for nothing. Two types of transmission: inhaling respiratory droplets from an infected person in your immediate vicinity, or less common, touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose or mouth. But other experts contend that guidance ignores growing evidence that it says, but other experts contend that guidance ignores growing evidence that third pathway also plays a significant role in contagion. And what is that pathway that we have to understand? एक दूसरा रास्ता भी वो बता रहे हैं, एक और दूसरा रास्ता है जिससे कि ये कंटेजियन हमारे अंदर आ जाता है. वो क्या है वो समझना है. That is less common. I am repeating. WHO and US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention maintain that you have to worry about only two types of transmissions: inhaling respiratory droplets from an infected person in your immediate vicinity, or less common, touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose and mouth. But other experts contend that guidance ignores growing evidence that a third pathway also plays a significant role in contagion. They say multiple studies demonstrate that particles known as aerosols, AEROSOLs, microscopic versions of standard respiratory droplets, can hang in air for long periods and float dozens of feet, making poorly ventilated rooms, buses, and other confined spaces dangerous. Even people stay 6 feet or 1.8 meters from one another. Try to understand what is saying. Multiple studies demonstrate that particles known as aerosols, microscopic versions of standard respiratory droplets, can hang in air for long periods and float dozens of feet, making poorly ventilated rooms, buses, and other confined spaces dangerous even when people stay 6 feet or 1.8 meters distant from each other. Now, there are some statistics given here. It says United States cases 28,36,765. Deaths 129,672. Brazil cases 15.39 lakhs and deaths 63,174. Russia cases 673,564 or 6 lakhs 76.73 lakhs and that's 10,011. India Bharat cases 6.48 lakhs, that's 18,655. This means we have just to cross maybe tomorrow, or yes, tomorrow we expect to be equal to Russia in cases. Already we have crossed Russia as far as deaths are concerned. So in cases we shall be equal to Russia probably tomorrow and cross on day after tomorrow, then we will be number 3. This is a statistic given here, which is very, very dangerous situation, and we have to be very careful about that if we are reaching to that stage. We are 100% sure about this, said Lydia Moravska, a professor of atmospheric sciences and environmental engineering at Queensland University of Technology in Brisbane, Australia. Means professor of atmospheric sciences and environmental engineering at Queensland University of Technology. She is working, and Moravska says we are 100% sure about what we are saying. Now she makes case in an open letter to WHO, accusing United Nations agency of failing to issue appropriate warnings about risk. A total of 239 researchers from 32 countries signed letter, which is set to be published this week in Scientific Journal. Now, Shanghai adds aerosol infection to coronavirus risk list. Shanghai adds aerosol infection to coronavirus risk list. This was in 14 February 2020. In interviews, experts said that aerosol transmission appears to be only way to explain several super spreading events, including infection of diners at a restaurant in China who sat at separate tables, and of choir members in Washington state who took precautions during rehearsal. WHO officials have acknowledged that virus can be transmitted through aerosols, but say that occurs only during medical procedures such as intubation that can spew large quantities of microscopic particles. CDC officials did not respond to multiple requests for comment. Dr. Belendra Aligranji, a top WHO expert on infection, prevention and control, said in responses to questions from Los Angeles Times that Moravska and her group presented theories based on laboratory experiments rather than evidence from field. We value and respect their opinion and contributions to this debate. Lagrange wrote an email, but in weekly teleconferences, a large majority of group of more than 30 international experts advising WHO has not judged existing evidence sufficiently convincing to consider airborne transmission as having an important role in COVID spread. She added that such transmission would have resulted in many more cases and even more rapid spread of virus. Since coronavirus was first detected in China in December, understanding of how it spreads has evolved considerably, resulting in shifting guidelines regarding use of masks. At first, WHO and CDC said masks were overkill, masks were overkill for ordinary people and should be conserved for health workers. Later, CDC recommended masks only for people with COVID-19 symptoms. Then in April, after it became clear that people without symptoms could also spread virus, CDC suggested masks for everybody when physical distancing was difficult, a position of WHO eventually adopted. Now as outbreaks proliferate and governors order a new round of closures, nearly all US states have made face coverings mandatory or recommended them, primarily to prevent wearers from spreading disease. Coronavirus can stay in air for 30 minutes. Chinese study finds this was in March 2020. Proponents of aerosol transmission said masks worn correctly would help prevent escape of exhaled aerosols as well as inhalation of microscopic particles, but they said spread could also be reduced by improving ventilation and zapping indoor air with ultraviolet light in ceiling units. Josh Gimenge, University of Colorado, chemist who signed letter, said idea of aerosol transmission should not frighten people. It's not like virus has changed. We think virus has been transmitted this way all along, and knowing about it helps protect us. He and his scientists cited several studies supporting idea that aerosol transmission is a serious threat. As early as mid-March, a study in New England Journal of Medicine found that when virus was suspended in mist under laboratory conditions, it remained viable and infectious for 3 hours, which researchers said equated to as much as half an hour in real-world conditions. It had hardly been established that some people, known as super spreaders, happen to be especially good at exhaling fine material, producing 1,000 times more than others. A recent study found coronavirus RNA in half hallways near hospital room of COVID-19 patients. Another raised concerns that aerosols laden with virus were shed by floor cleaning equipment and by health workers removing personal protective gears. Researchers in China found evidence of aerosols containing coronavirus in 2 Wuhan hospitals. It was outbreak among choir members in Mount Vernon, Washington, and a report about incident in Los Angeles Times that first piqued interest of several of aerosol proponents of 61 singers at a March 10 rehearsal. All but 8 became sick, despite members using hand sanitizers and avoiding hugging or shaking hands. 2 people died. A team led by Shelley Miller, University of Colorado, professor of mechanical engineering, dug into church hall blueprint, furnace specifications, locations of choir members, and hours of attendance. Researchers diagrammed movements of singer who was identified as person who unwittingly brought virus to practice. Inhalation of aerosols most likely dominated infection transmission during this event. Researchers wrote in a paper undergoing peer review, concluding that ill person who had symptoms similar to common cold was unlikely to have spent time within 6 feet or 1.8 meter of many singers or to have touched surfaces in common with them. We believed likely that shared air in fellowship hall combined with high emissions of respiratory aerosol from singing were important contributing factors. Eventually, researchers formed from a broad spectrum of disciplines, including several who have studied role of aerosols in spread of flu, SARS, and other infectious diseases, joined forces to campaign for greater recognition of aerosol transmission. They said that coronavirus is less contagious through air than measles, but that risk of transmission goes up. Longer air remains stagnant and longer people continue to breathe it. In interviews, they said WHO officials had unfairly set a high bar for showing aerosol spread than was required for acceptance of other two pathways. In interviews, they said WHO officials had unfairly set a higher bar for showing aerosol spread than was required for acceptance of other two pathways. For them, droplets and touch are so obvious that they are prone, but airborne is so outlandish that it needs a very high level of evidence. Proof would require exposing a large number of healthy people to aerosols emitted by COVID-19 patients, a study that scientists said would be unethical. Donald Milton, University of Maryland, environmental health professors and an expert on aerosol who co-wrote letters said average person breathes 10,000 liters of air each day. 10,000 liters of air each day. You only need one infection dose of coronavirus in 10,000 liters. And it can be very hard to find it and prove it. It's there, which is one of problematic problems we have had so far. This is what they said. Very, you can say, explanatory, very explanatory note of this news. More than 200 scientists, 239 scientists from around the world, दुनिया के 243 साइंटिस्ट वैज्ञानिक जिन्होंने यह न्यूज़ निकाली है, जिन्होंने WHO को लिख के दिया है कि हवा में जो एरोसोल होता है उससे वायरस आ रहा है। अब इस बात को हम लोग समझे ना समझे हमारी मर्जी है, लेकिन सच तो सच है। पहले भी मैंने कई बार कहा है, many times I explain to public about this, that they have to think of this. It's not only from one person to another person. It is, you can inhale it from air. Now it says in last sentence, everybody is breathing 10,000 liters of air in one day. 10,000 लीटर 10,000 लीटर हम लोग सांस लेते हैं हवा का, और उस 10,000 लीटर में एक पार्टिकल का आना क्या पता लगेगा? Can we find that? We cannot find that. We cannot find one particle in 10,000 liters. It is very important point, and we have to understand this point. And हाँ हेलो.
हेलो।
हाँ.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
अरे वो उसका एक छोटा सा वीडियो बना रहा था. ये जो न्यूज़ आई थी ना कि हवा में से भी आता है ये.
क्या?
एक न्यूज़ आई थी सुबह की ये हवा में से भी आ रहा है.
अच्छा
240 साइंटिस्टों ने लिख के दिया है वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को. आज सुबह की न्यूज़ थी.
अच्छा
दुनिया के 240 वैज्ञानिकों ने लिख के दिया है कि
अच्छा
वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के ये हवा से आ रहा है और इसलिए इतने लोग बीमार हो रहे हैं.
अच्छा।
वो ले रहे हैं कि 10,000 लीटर हम हवा लो सूंघते हैं. 10,000 लीटर
हाँ
एक आदमी.
हाँ।
तो उससे एक पार्टिकल कब अंदर आ जाएगा किसी को क्या पता लगेगा.
अच्छा
और ये कहना कि खाली आदमी से आदमी को लगता है या ऐसे होता है, सब बेकार की बातें. ये ऐसे भी लग रहा है.
अच्छा।
तो ये आज की सुबह मैंने पढ़ी थी 3 बजे 4 बजे न्यूज़.
हम्म।
तो ऐसा वो कह रहे हैं तुमने इस बात का ध्यान नहीं दिया, हवा से भी हो रहा है, इसलिए बताते करने लोगों को.
तो इसका मतलब बालकनी वगैरह में जाए तो मास्क लगा के जाए?
अरे जहाँ भी जाओगे, सड़क पे भी जाओगे तो मास्क लगाओ. कोई सड़क पे भी आ सकता
जैसे
है.
अपनी अपनी गली है, बालकनी है, यहाँ भी
मैं
तो।
कह रहा हूँ घर में ही मैं तो लगा के बैठता हूँ.
अच्छा
मैं तो यहाँ भी लगा के बैठा हुआ हूँ. क्योंकि लोग आ रहा है, कभी कोई आ रहा है, कभी कोई आ रहा है, तो किसको क्या लेके आता है क्या पता है.
हाँ
कोई भी आदमी बाहर से आता है, मुझे तो गुस्सा आता है. वो मुँह खोल के आ जाते हैं. तो क्यों मुँह खोल, तुम सड़क से क्या ला रहे हो मुझे क्या पता.
हाँ हाँ।
और सड़क पे भी चल रहे हैं, वो कहते हैं जी ये पार्टिकल हवा में कई घंटे रह जाता है. मान लो ये 10 मिनट भी रहा, 15 मिनट भी रहा, ऐसा मान लो.
हाँ
हवा से इधर से उधर तो हो जाएगा.
हाँ।
और वहाँ किसी के नाक में चला गया, कहीं चला गया, तो क्या करेंगे आप.
हम्म।
मतलब ये वैज्ञानिक कह रहे हैं, मैं थोड़ी कह रहा हूँ.
हाँ हाँ
अगर दुनिया के 250 हर कंट्री के वैज्ञानिक कह रहे हो भाई, फिर तो बात बनती है ना.
हाँ
कि कोई राजनीति करने वाला तो कह नहीं रहा.
हाँ हाँ।
तो वो कह रहे हैं इससे भी हो रहा है, तुम सो रहे हो, तुम समझ ही नहीं रहे.
अच्छा
हवा, अब हवा से अगर आ रहा है तो फिर तो कहीं से भी आ सकता है ना, खिड़की के अंदर भी आ सकता है. अब
हाँ।
आंधी आ रही है, आंधी से हवा अंदर आती है कि नहीं आती है.
और क्या।
जब दरवाज़ा खोल देती है धक्का मार के वो, तो
हाँ
पार्टिकल भी तो अंदर घर में भी आ सकता है फिर ये.
हाँ हाँ
तो ये बात है जो बहुत बारीकी में वो सोच रहे हैं. साइंटिस्ट ऐसे तो नहीं बोलेंगे ना.
हाँ
तो वही मैं देख रहा था कि लोग समझते नहीं है ना समझना चाहते हैं.
हाँ।
ये बात है. अभी 1,15,00,000 लोगों को हो चुकी है बीमारी.
अच्छा
कल 50-55 हज़ार केस हुए हैं यूएसए में.
अच्छा।
तो जब इतनी तेज़ी से फैल रहा है,
हाँ
इतना कुछ करने के बाद भी फैल रहा है, तो क्या करोगे.
हाँ।
मतलब कोई पता नहीं किसको आ जाए किसको ना आ जाए, कुछ नहीं कह सकते. ये वो हवाबाजी में कह रहे थे अब तक इसको सूंघ लोगे या उसको लग जाएगा. और किसी भी तरह से आ सकता है, कहने का मतलब ये है. मतलब जैसा जुकाम लग जाता है ना, छींक आ गई, जुकाम लग गया, उसी तरह से ये भी आ सकता है. अब इसका क्या इलाज है, अब खुद सोच लो भैया. बच के रहना पड़ेगा फिर तो यही है. ये अपने यहाँ जाते हो, अपनी अपनी वो लो, प्रिकॉशन लो. हवा में तो आँख में भी आ सकता है.
और क्या।
अगर सड़क पर चल रहे आँख में भी आ सकता है. धूल आ जाती तो भी आ सकता है.
ये तो है।
तो ये बातें उसमें मैं बना के बता रहा था पब्लिक को भाई ऐसा भी हो रहा है, देख लो न्यूज़ में है. मैं नहीं कह रहा, हमारी न्यूज़ में तो नहीं है, खैर बाहर की न्यूज़ में है. वर्ल्ड के साइंटिस्ट हैं तो WHO को लिख के भेज रहे हैं, तो छोटी बात तो नहीं है. और वो कह रहे हैं तुमने ध्यान क्यों नहीं दिया इस बात पे पहले से, तुम सब सुनते नहीं हो किसी की. दुनिया जो कह देती है वही मान लेते हो.
अच्छा
तो कहते हैं तुम्हें क्या पता कम स्पीड से जा रहा है कि ज़्यादा स्पीड से जा रहा है, हम क्या हिसाब लगा सकते हैं. क्या
हाँ
पता इसी वजह से आ रहा हो आजकल. कहीं कहीं
हाँ।
शराब बैठ के पी रहे हैं लोग, कहीं ओपन हो गया, घूमने चले गए. इसको कितनों को आ सकता है हवा में से, क्या पता कहाँ कौन क्या कर रहा है. क्योंकि एक आदमी की मान लो है, उसने हवा निकाल दी अपनी नाक से, सांस लेते वक्त सांस निकालते 3,000 पार्टिकल निकल गए.
और क्या।
तो 3,000 तो 3,000 को पकड़ लेंगे.
हाँ
एक एक पार्टिकल भी सबकी नाक में चला गया तो 3,000 जाएंगे आदमियों को.
हाँ।
एक बार में 3,000 निकलते हैं.
अच्छा
तो 3,000 का मतलब एक भी एक के में गया तो 3,000 आदमियों को वो लग जाएगा कभी ना कभी.
हाँ।
ये कहने का मतलब है, और कुछ नहीं है.
अच्छा
ये था. तो वो जब 10,000 करें 10,000, अब हमें तो पता नहीं ना 10,000 लीटर हम सूंघते हैं हवा एक दिन में.
हाँ
तो जब निकालते हैं सूंघते हैं, 24 घंटे चलती रहती है. सूंघ ऊपर निकालो, सूंघ ऊपर निकालो.
हाँ हाँ।
तो वो 10,000 पार्टिकल में एक पार्टिकल का क्या पता है. तुम इतनी रोटी खाते हो, इतनी चाय पीते हो, इतना कुछ दिन में खाते हो, तो उस पार्टिकल की क्या वैल्यू है, लेकिन आ तो जाएगा.
हाँ।
ये कहने का मतलब है.
ये तो है।
तो वो एक बहुत हर आदमी को समझ नहीं आएगी, लेकिन इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज़ है.
ये क्या कर रहे हैं मम्मी?
तो रसोई में है, वो क्या कर रहा है ये. ये क्या है गुरु का. हाँ, उसका कुछ कर रही है।
अच्छा, मेरी बात कराएगा 1 मिनट?
मैं अभी तो इसमें बिजी हूँ, बाद में दोबारा करा दूंगा, वो 10 मिनट बात हो गया, अभी करा दूंगा,
अच्छा,
दोबारा करा दूंगा ना, ये वीडियो बीच में गैप नहीं दे
मैं
सकता।
अभी से 10 मिनट बात करूँ?
हाँ,
खुद ही बात करूँ?
अरे मैं कह रहा हूँ कराता हूँ, रुक जा रहा, मैं वीडियो में बीच में रात में पूरा कर लूँ ना,
हाँ हाँ,
लाइव है
10
ना
मिनट
वो।
बाद फोन करूँ?
हाँ कर लियो, फ़ोन कर लियो 10 मिनट बाद, ठीक।
ठीक है।
अच्छा, ओके। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, देयर वाज सम कॉल, आई एक्सप्लेन टू समवन अबाउट दिस। आपने सुना होगा सबने मैंने जो बात की है, ये कोई मजाक नहीं है, बच्चों का खेल नहीं है, आर नॉट चिल्ड्रन प्ले, इट्स वेरी सीरियस मैटर फॉर एवरीबॉडी। दैट वाज ओनली रीज़न आई ट्राई टू स्पेशली go on live with this matter on COVID-19. Till now, more than 1.15 crore, or you can say 11.5 million people have been infected. And our country, India, Bharat, is also now going to be number 3, maybe with tomorrow or the after tomorrow. It shall become number 3 in infections, and we shall be behind Brazil only after that. So it's very serious development happening. And I will ask those, I'll request all those, be careful. Don't think that you are safe. You are not safe even at your home. This is fact of this news. Real fact is you are not safe anywhere in any room. You are not safe in your bathroom. You are not safe in your WC, water closet. You are not safe in your drawing room. You are not safe on your roof. You are not safe in your car. You are not safe while using air conditioning. You are not safe while walking on road. So you have to take precautionary measures. That is very important, or else you have to suffer. Yesterday, we got one news regarding one doctor, medical doctor in Delhi. He was resident, junior resident, and he was feeling symptoms of COVID. He explained to someone else, he informed that I have been feeling the symptoms, but its report answered, responded negative, and consequently mishappening did that next day. He lost his life. He lost, despite he had this disease, but results informed that it was negative. That's what I'm saying. Nothing is guaranteed. Our testing processes are defective, erroneous. Our thoughts are defective. We are not only ours, I mean to say all world. You can talk of England, you can talk of America, you can talk of France, Spain, wherever lockdown is lifted and reimposed. This means people are crazy, people are enthusiastic, they don't understand what they are doing. And problem still lies at its origin, back to square one, that it is, if it is going to 1.1 crore or 11 million, it won't take much time to reach 10 million, I mean to say 100 million or 200 million, or you may say it may crores, 25 crores one day. So there is no limit. Don't have confidence, don't believe in others. You have to take precautionary measures yourself. Nobody would help you. Politicians have withdrawn their hands. Politicians from all over the world have withdrawn their hands from supporting you. They are exclusively interested on economical development. They have left public at public's mercy, at God's mercy. And if you don't take precautionary measures, you are going to harm your family, you are going to harm yourself, you are, you are putting yourself to risk. And only precautionary measure is be strong, boil water and then drink immediately, keep yourself heated up, go to sun for some moments, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, use ultraviolet rays for your body, eat hot food, and do as much as keep your body strong. Don't be lazy, don't drink cold, because chilled, chiller is opposite to treatment. Air conditioning is enemy of this, enemy not in a sense that if that particle is pulled by air conditioner, whether it's car or it's a home, you'll get this particle because when your nose can suck it, air conditioner compressor is very big machine, it can suck that. So use cooler or use fans You have to tolerate some heat, otherwise you may get this unknown guest, uninvited guest anytime. This is my only worry, I concern. That's why I wanted to contact you guys for this. Today morning around 3 o'clock, I read this news, shocking in a sense. I previously also anticipated that, but there was no confirmation. But now 240 scientists, if they write about this and they are 100% sure, what should I say? I'm not scientist, I'm just a common sense person. I'm a civil engineer basically for information. And common sense says, safety says, you can't treat this, but you can take precautionary measures. Don't believe in any political leader from around the world. All are interested in their seats, not in something else. All. Do not spare anybody. All are same. There's no difference. It has been seen. They are only interested in money, seat, and seat. They are not interested in public. Our country is not even conducting tests for everybody, which is basic right of everyone. They are not doing that. This is sin, this is injustice done by political people. I directly blame our political system. Just like Trump pointed out, why are you testing? As many people are testing, that problem comes in again and again. मेरा आपसे यही कहना है कि कोविड-19 के बारे में अभी तक कुछ कंफर्म नहीं है, लेकिन अब वैज्ञानिकों ने कहना शुरू किया है। इसके खाली वही रास्ते नहीं हैं जो पहले हमने बताए थे कि आप एक दूसरे से बच के रहिए, डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कीजिए। डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करने से भी काम नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि जो हवा में है, जो एरोसोल बोलते हैं उसको, एरोसोल हवा में रहने वाला सॉल्यूशन ड्रॉपलेट के साथ जो बाहर आता है, एक बार में 3000 ड्रॉपलेट आते हैं और एक भी आपको मिल गया तो आपका कल्याण निश्चित है। या आप सोच लीजिए, अब आपको उससे बचना है या उसमें फंसना है, ये फैसला आपका है। कोई भी कभी भी कहीं फंस सकता है। जब डॉक्टर फंस सकते हैं कहने के बाद कि मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे ऐसा है और उसको नहीं आता है, निगेटिव आता है, तो बजाय नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव सोचने की बजाय इसको बच के रहिए, वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है। बचेंगे तो आप स्वस्थ रहेंगे, बच के रहेंगे, अच्छे रहेंगे। नहीं तो फंस गए तो फिर बाहर निकलना आसान नहीं है, क्योंकि जो बाहर निकलेंगे भी वो 100% रिकवरी नहीं होगी उनकी, दोबारा तकलीफ़ हो सकती है हमको, क्योंकि विज्ञान अभी इतना आगे नहीं बढ़ा है जो उसके बारे में कुछ बता सके। साइंटिस्ट अभी बहुत पीछे हैं। डॉक्टर्स तो खैर कह नहीं सकता उनके बारे में, तो इलाज ही कर सकते हैं। जो दवाइयाँ होंगी वो यूज़ हो सकती हैं, लेकिन आज की तारीख में दुनिया में कोई दवाई नहीं है अभी तक जो कह सके कि हम इसका इलाज कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि जब तक आपको मर्ज ही नहीं पता, उसकी रूट ही नहीं पता, तो क्या इलाज होगा। अभी तक दुनिया में आज की तारीख में कोई भी नहीं कह सकता है कि ये किस बला का नाम कोविड-19 है। इसलिए आप यही मानिए कि ये ऊपर वाले का आपको दंड है, विश्व की जनता को ऊपर वाला दंड दे रहा है। इतना ही मैं कह सकता हूँ, क्योंकि ऐसा हो रहा है। पाप किए हैं तो भुगतने तो पड़ेंगे। वो किसने किए, कैसे किए, वो भुगतना पड़ेगा। वो कैसे आया है मैं नहीं जानता, लेकिन वो ठीक करने तो आया है, ये तो लगता है। बाकी आप अपना ख्याल रखेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। इतना ही क्या कि मैं अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूँ। आप सबका धन्यवाद। जय भारत, जय विश्व। अब मैं इसको ध्यान करता हूँ, थोड़ा ख्याल रखिएगा। विश यू ऑल बेस्ट फॉर अपकीप ऑफ गुड हेल्थ। आप सबको अपनी स्वास्थ्य को अच्छा रखने के लिए शुभ